Have you ever wanted software tailored to your own specific needs? Well, what if coding up custom software wasn't just for computer programmers? In this video, I'm going to show you how I used an AI-powered tool to help me code up a custom tailored solution for less than the cost of lunch. Let's go. So we're going to be using a software called Windsurf. Windsurf is an AI-powered IDE or integrated development environment. Basically, a super-powered text editor that computer programmers use to write code. So in addition to having all the basic functionality of pretty much every IDE platform out there, Windsurf leverages AI, or specifically a large language model, kind of like ChatGPT. In this case, Windsurf connects to another product created by Anthropic called Claude 3.5. Windsurf is not the only AI-powered IDE to do this, but it is supposedly very powerful, flexible, and accessible to beginners. So today we're going to be starting from scratch. I've never written code on this machine, and it's in fact been many months since I've written any code at all. So we're going to be basically starting with a prompt and acting like we know nothing about computer code to get as close to that beginner, non-coding expert as possible. So this is what Windsurf looks like when you first open it. Let's get started with Windsurf Code with Cascade. So here's a prompt that we are starting with. I want you to create a break-even point calculator web application from scratch. I have no existing files, libraries, or virtual environment set up. I want you to walk me through everything step by step and then generate the code for me. So let's see what happens when we enter this. What the fuck happened? Something's going on. I have no idea. My computer's humming along though.
A few minutes later.
So after entering the prompt, my computer needed to install some software. It did that, Windsurf rebooted, and then the prompt generated an output, which we're about to go through. All right, so it looks like it created 5 files. This HTML file, this style guide, this JavaScript file, requirements for the packages and README. So let's go ahead and accept all. So we're approaching this from the perspective of a beginner, someone with low to no experience. Let's just read through the output at a high level and see what we need to do next. So after I entered that very simple prompt that said, let's create this break-even point calculator, we're gonna set up the project structure. And the next step is we can now open this index.html file and see the break-even point calculator in action. We're gonna just ask it to see if it can give us a direct path that we copy and paste into our web browser. All right, so we got this, some fixed cost. Let's say this business is gonna cost us $1 million to set up. We're gonna sell a product for $19.99. Let's say this product costs us $11 per unit to make. So with this model, we are going to need to sell 111,234.71 units. You can see the math works. It's all right here. Bam! You got it. Done. Easy. Not exactly the software that I was planning to make. What I wanted us to make was something a little bit more robust and intelligent. So I'm going to take a moment to create a new, more detailed prompt that we can give to the model. We're going to create a whole new project. We'll take it from there.